Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Ledger Flex to a PC app. To do it, you'll need to use a cable, of course, to connect it to your PC. So I'll connect it. Also, you'll need to get the Ledger Live app that you can download from LEDGER.com/start. Now I'll need to enter my PIN since it prompts me to. And now, in the app, I'll need to go to my Ledger, allow secure connection. And now, as you can see, it's all connected and you can do whatever you like here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.